Hi everyone, I'm Ada and I'm here to share with you FeetFinder's top sellers. Hey everyone, if you're not familiar with FeetFinder.com, let me introduce you to the world's famous feet photo selling and buying platform. Now, there are a ton of people who are making good money selling feet pics on FeetFinder.com, and for most of them, aside from just selling feet pics, they have grown so many followers on FeetFinder.com. Allow me to introduce you to some of the top sellers on FeetFinder.com. So first we have Cutie Mary, and Cutie Mary's profile reads, I am 23, 5 feet tall with little feet. Don't be shy. Tell me what type of pictures and videos you want. I'll do whatever you ask. I'm really respectful and would love to know more about you. She's got 33 followers, and some of her buyers have rated her at 5 stars with some of the following feedback. She is very kind and fun, and she also has outstanding soles. Next stop is Xyxo, and her profile reads, ask and you shall receive. I just want to satisfy you with my feet, and if you follow me, don't forget to subscribe. She has got 35 followers and the following feedback. Beautiful pink soles and perfect peach, as well as love this girl. Next is the awesome college girl toes, and this beautiful girl says, follow me from college classes to bars and eventually to the real world. Open to specific requests. This girl has got 50 followers, and some of the amazing feedback is she has got the best college soles, she's got beautiful soles, and she's amazing to work with, and people cannot wait to get her content. Our fourth top pick is FeetBaby405, and FeetBaby405 says, let me help you live out your fantasy. They're 27, competitive dancer for 12 years, soft, sexy, luxurious toes. Barefoot lounger, the office fanatic, they wear a US size 7, and no, they will not harm or murder any living creatures. It shouldn't have to be said, but here we are. She's got an impressive 57 followers with 5-star reviews, such as amazing custom content, easy to talk to and attentive to buyers' requests, and beautiful pink soles. I will definitely be back to purchase more. Now that I have introduced you to some of FeetFinder.com's top sellers, it is time for you to subscribe, build up your profile, and upload some feet pics. It's possible for everyone to become a top seller. Building clients, it does take time, so don't get discouraged if it does not immediately happen, but just keep at it, the clients will come, and most importantly, the money is gonna come. So what's the best site for selling feet pics? Say it with me, FeetFinder.com. And like I said, FeetFinder.com is model friendly and easy to navigate, so you don't have to worry about how to get started. If you wish to learn how to sell or even buy feet content, we have a ton of detailed videos on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn more about FeetFinder.com, check out the playlist of videos on the end screen. I'm Ada, wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Thank you for watching our video. Click here to learn more about FeetFinder.com, and click here to learn how to buy and sell feet content.